In this video, I'm going to show you how to export the DNS record of a Namecheap domain, even though Namecheap does not give you a simple one-click download button inside Advanced DNS. So if you want to back up your DNS records, move to another provider, or just keep a safe copy of your settings, this tutorial will help. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're signed in, go to your domain list. From there, find the domain you want to back up and click Manage next to it. This will open the settings for that specific domain. On the Domain Management page, look for the Advanced DNS tab and click it. This is where Namecheap stores the DNS settings for your domain, including your host records. Now scroll down to the Host Records section. Here you'll see all of your DNS entries listed one by one. These may include A records, CNAME records, MX records, TXT records, and other entries that control where your domain points and how services like email and verification work. Now here's the important part. Namecheap does not offer a standard export or download button for DNS records inside Advanced DNS, so you won't find a simple option that automatically saves everything as a file. Because of that, the safest way to export your DNS records is to copy them manually. Go through each record and note the type, host, value, and TTL. If you have several records, the easiest method is to paste them into a spreadsheet or a text file so you have a clean backup. You can also organize them in columns to make them easier to read later. For example, put the record type in one column, the host in another, the value in another, and the TTL in the last column. This makes it much easier to recreate the same DNS setup if you ever need to switch hosting providers or restore your domain settings. Take your time and make sure every record is captured accurately, because even a small typo can cause website or email issues later. Once you've copied all the records you need, save the file in a safe place. If you want, you can also create a second backup copy just in case. That way, if anything ever changes in your Namecheap account or your DNS gets updated accidentally, you'll still have a record of your original setup. And that's it. Even though Namecheap doesn't provide a direct DNS export button, you now know how to manually save your DNS records in a simple and reliable way. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.